So I'm a little upset today. I haven't even had this belt sander for a year yet, but somehow this cord was able to get caught up underneath here and got sucked up in here, and now it's all pinched, and it's just irritating that like this could even happen or whatever. Just makes me not like what I purchased in a way, like safety. I just feel like it shouldn't have happened. Shame on me. Apparently I guess don't know how to pay attention to what I'm doing, but it just sucks. I thought this was going to be something that was going to last for a long time, but instead my cord got wrapped up in there.